Now I did some changes to the grid project based on the latest Selenium Grid 3. In the previous lecture, you've seen all the configuration related to Selenium Grid. So most of the configuration and the concept entirely will remain the same, right? There are little updates based on Selenium 3, and I have created some of the things which will be very helpful for you to make your life very easy. Now, whenever you're working with Grid, make sure you download the latest Gecko driver and Chrome driver executable, and keep it with in the same location we have where you have the Selenium standalone server kept. Right. So as of today, this is the latest Selenium standalone file, which you will get it on seleniumhq.org, and this is what 3.141.59 is. So this is what you will be keeping it over here. Then there are some configuration you've seen in the previous lectures. I have configured some like I've configured some nodes and hub with the help of a JSON file. And if I show you these JSON files, this is like the node 1 JSON where I'm configuring Firefox 5 instance and Chrome 0, and I'm starting it on a port 5557. The hub will be started on the port 4444. Same way, if you look at the node 2 JSON here, I'm configuring Firefox 0, Chrome 5, and it will be started on 5556. So basically, you'll be starting the nodes on two different machines. I'm doing it on the same machine, so I'll be configuring it on different ports, and then you will be starting the hub again on another machine, right? So then all the nodes will be connected to the hub, and for that what I did, the actual command that we use to execute for hub is java-jar, the name of the jar file, -role hub config hub.json file, right? Same thing we do it for node, that is while configuring node, one thing we need to make sure that we are giving the Chrome driver and Gecko driver path over here. If you're keeping the Gecko driver, Chrome driver exe on the same location where we have the standalone server file, there is no need to give the path. You directly need to give the name, right? And then you'll be providing the node config file as node1.json, and the second one is node2.json. Then you'll be storing it in a form of a bat file with .bat format. So when you double click on it, it will gonna start the hub. See, Selenium Grid hub is up and running, and then when you clicked on the node 1 bat file, it will start the node and will register it to the hub on the local host or the IP where of the machine where you have started the grid hub, and it will connect it to that particular port. Same way, you'll be starting the node 2. So this will be node 2, which is like the second machine. And now if we go and type the IP of our hub, that is localhost 4444, you'll see the latest Selenium 3 grid, and go to console. You're gonna see on this machine we have 5 Firefox browsers, and on this machine we have 5 Chrome browsers active, right? So this is what the configuration of node and hub. And now we're gonna see how we're gonna create a new project, and we're gonna do the parallel text execution. Although parallel test execution is a task of testng that we have already seen in the testng lectures. Now grid task is just to distribute these tests for remote execution, right? So in the next lecture, we're going to see how we can write a code to distribute our test onto remote machines. All right, thank you.